I feel like I'm doing an amazing job at work, but he treats me like I'm on a mission from hell.
Well, I mean, you're practically the devil incarnate with your organizational and appointment setting skills.
Nick, I'm serious. He looks at me like I'm Rumpelstiltskin out to steal his firstborn. I do not want his babies.
The way you organize things on his desk kind of screams baby thief.
Noling makes me feel complete. His desk looks like a tornado hit it every single morning. There are potato chips, pumpkin seeds, paper cups, little sticky notes with smiley faces painted in mustard and ketchup on them. I know this because I smelled it once. I immediately regretted it.
Okay, Allie, Mr. Peterson is kind of a laid-back guy, so maybe you should just chill out. You know, you don't have to be spotlessly perfect all the time.
Perfect. Okay, just because I like things clean and tidy and totally perfect all the time. My name is Allie. I'm a perfectionist.
Acknowledgement is the first step to...
Oh! What was that?
Oh, a bird
Ew.
just pooped on your
A
head.
Bird poop.
Oh.
Oh! It's bird poop. Test? This is only a test? Do you have vinegar?
Vinegar?
Water?
I have a napkin.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Are you okay? Okay. You okay?
I'm okay.
You sure? Aw, Allie. I knew you had it in you. Don't look in a mirror.
Huh?